Okay, welcome to Bhakti Sangha Japa conference call. Thank you all so much for joining us and giving us your very valuable association today. Today we are very, very fortunate to be doing the kids presentation session, which is always special to Bhakti Sangha, which happens every Sunday. We have a presentation by a child, and we also have the kids, Damodar Govinda and Madhava children present their week-long learning. So today for the special presentation, we have Shreyas with us. Shreyas Gudivada is the son of Yogeshwar Gopal Prabhu and Vilasini Gopi Mataji, who are disciples of His Holiness Radhanath Swami Maharaj. Shreyas is 12 years old and he's in 6th grade. He is very interested in music and dance. He loves reading books and loves to share with his friends. He's been following Krishna conscious principles since he was 2 years old. He has a younger sister, Shama Gauri, who is 7 years old. He loves to play piano and violin. Recently, he's been practicing devotional songs using violin and enjoying them. Shreyas loves to research about different great personalities in the Gaudiya Vaishnava Sampradaya, and that is the reason he has taken up this topic, the glories of Srila Rupa Goswami. So, Shreyas, thank you so much for choosing a fantastic topic. And you can start your screen share and your presentation. Hare Krishna.
Should I share my screen?
Yeah, go ahead.
So, thank you, Mataji, for giving me this opportunity to share about our Acharya Rupa Goswami. Yeah, we are all called Rupanugas because we're all called Rupanugas because we are followers of Rupa Goswami in the Gaudiya Vaishnava Sampradaya. So, and please correct me, Mataji, if I have said anything wrong. There are some few things I'm doubtful about, but I'll try to make the best of it. So, Srila Rupa Goswami, our Acharya. Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjanashalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Shri Chaitanya Manobishtam Stapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kada Mayam Dadati Swapadantikam Vancha Kalpatarubhyascha Kripa Sindhubhya eva cha Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadara Shri Vasadi Gaura Bhaktavrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. So this is my synopsis about Rupa Goswami. So Rupa Goswami is the primary Acharya for our Gaudiya Vaishnava Sampradaya. And he is the author of many books besides the Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. He is author of the Nectar of Instruction, and then the Lalita Madhava, and then the Stavamala. And he is the chief of the 6 Goswamis of Vrindavan and the direct disciple of Lord Shri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Rupa Goswami used to be a minister for the Muslim emperor of Bengal, Nawab Hussain Shah, before getting initiated by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And one of his activities in Vrindavan was that he installed Sri Radha Govind Ji in a temple in Vrindavan. And we are all called Rupanugas because we are followers of Rupa Goswami. Why did Rupa Goswami even appear in this world? So he appeared to install deities and start puja for them, to uncover the lost places of where Krishna's pastimes took place, to write the Bhakti Sastras like the Nectar of Devotion or the Nectar of instruction, and to propagate the rules of bhakti through his books and teachings. So his early life. Srila Rupa Goswami came into this world in AD 1492 in Bangladesh, which is today 1493. So before he came into this world, he was in the spiritual world, he's actually known as Rupa Manjari. And without Rupa Manjari is mercy, one cannot enter into the pastimes of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. No, one cannot enter into the confidential loving pastimes of Sri Radhakrishna. And without taking shelter of Rupa Goswami, one cannot enter into the pastimes of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. One great example is Srila Prabhupada. He prayed fervently to Rupa Goswami to come to the US, and only with Rupa Goswami's mercy did Srila Prabhupada go. Yeah, did Prabhupada go and to establish all these ISKCON temples we have today. So he had two brothers, Sanatan Goswami and Vallabha Malika. Born to very learned Brahmanas, the three brothers grew up to be very learned scholars, but used them in Krishna consciousness when initiated by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And because of their learned appearances, Rupa Goswami with his brothers were forced into the government of Alauddin Hussain Shah, the Muslim emperor of Bengal. When joining the Muslim government, Rupa and Sanatan's names were Sakara Malika and Dabir Kas respectively. So both Rupa Goswami and Sanatan Goswami were actually ministers of the government and were at once rejected by the Brahmana society because they came into the Muslim government. But after that, they met Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Sakara Malika, along with his brothers, made a home in the small village of Ramakeli. And correct me if I'm wrong, but Sakara Malika is Rupa Goswami. Yeah, he was in the position of Sakara Malika. When at Allahabad, a city in India, at the confluence of the Ganga, Yamuna, and Saraswati rivers, Sakara Malika met Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Lord Chaitanya instructed him on the process of bhakti and the science of Krishna consciousness for 10 days straight. And then he, along with his brothers, decided to retire from the government. So Sakara Malika collected his money from the emperor when retiring and used half of his money in Krishna service. Sakara Malika sent a letter to Dabir Kas or Sanatan Goswami saying that he should join them. However, Dabir Kas was put in jail because of his desire to retire. But in that same letter, Rupa Goswami provided him with 10,000 gold coins, and Sakara Malika bribed the jailer with the money and then escaped. They received their initiated names by Lord Chaitanya as Rupa Goswami, Sanatan Goswami, and Anupama Goswami. Rupa Goswami was given the important job of discovering the lost places of Vrindavan and writing books contributing to the Gaudiya Vaishnava platform. But before we learn about Rupa Goswami's pastimes in Vrindavan, we need something besides a passport and flight to enter Vrindavan. What do we need? Can anybody answer? What do we need?
Mercy.
Okay. Anybody else?
Radha Krishna's blessings.
Yeah. Well, the answer is already given in the slide. We need the ecstatic state of pure love of Krishna and a mindset to serve the Lord. Serving the Lord as dasanudasanudas. And yes, loving Yeah, we need a pure love of Krishna. So what you all said was correct. So, under quotes, Vrindavan qualification doesn't come by the eyes, but the ears, said Srila Prabhupada. Shravanam or hearing is one of the most powerful processes of devotion to Lord Krishna. We need to have that attitude to hear about the glories of Krishna from qualified authorities. Qualified authorities meaning like acharyas or gurus, Guru Maharaj. So we already have the pure love of Krishna. We just need to awaken it inside our heart. By hearing these glories of the Lord by acharyas, they can awaken our hearts. Krishna enters our heart and scrubs it until he makes it squeaky clean. The process of the scrubbing can only take place when we hear about the glories of the Lord. Let us enter the Radha Govindji temple in Vrindavan, a temple in which Rupa Goswami created. Rupa Goswami in Vrindavan. Rupa Goswami had established this temple of Sri Radha Govindji. Lord Krishna's grandson Vajranabha had installed many important deities of Vrindavan. So this is where the story is starting. Rupa Goswami is trying to locate Sri Radha Govindji but failed. Thus he became very sad. Shedding tears, he began to call the name of Lord Chaitanya, his guru. Lord Krishna then appeared before Rupa Goswami in the form of a cowherd boy and told Rupa Goswami to follow him. Rupa Goswami found the deities near a hole, near like a goshala, when the cowherd boy suddenly disappeared. Ecstatically, he fell down unconscious. Why did he fall down unconscious? Because he found the deities. Along with Raghunath Bhatta Goswami and his disciple Maharaj Jai Singh, he constructed the temple, Radha Govindji temple, which was going to be 7 stories tall. But here's where trouble comes. Aurangzeb, a demonic ruler at the time, became very jealous that a Hindu shrine could be taller than a Muslim shrine, and him, along with his soldiers, destroyed the temple. They cut down 4 stories of the temple, leaving only 3 stories. So he became very jealous that a Hindu temple could be taller than a Muslim one. But while Aurangzeb was destroying it, Maharaj Jai Singh before the attack took the deities to Karauli, Rajasthan, and this is where the deities reside today. They reside in Karauli, Rajasthan. Now about his books. Rupa Goswami wrote 2 books that are widely known today. Those are the Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, or Nectar of Devotion, and the Nectar of Instruction. The Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu is a book that describes how to attain the position of love of God, or bhakti, by describing situations in which someone comes to the position of bhakti. It also explains what bhakti is. There are more to bhakti than just love of God. Bhakti is a very ecstatic state that very advanced devotees can attain. And then the nectar of instruction includes 26 instructions on essential teachings. The book was written for people on the path of spiritual perfection. It is a key to enlightenment for all devotees, like for beginner devotees, like people who have just got initiated. And yeah, it is the key to enlightenment for all devotees. Conclusion. Rupa Goswami was the one who made this sampradaya come to life by his teachings in the form of his books. Only with Rupa Goswami's mercy did Srila Prabhupada come to America. We are all called Rupanugas because we are followers of Rupa Goswami, our primary Acharya. And if you can see in the picture, Rupa Goswami's Samadhi is in the same place where the Rasa Leela dance took place. Srila Prabhupada stayed in a temple, in a place near the Radha Damodar temple, where Rupa Goswami's Samadhi could be viewed. And here is Srila Prabhupada. Rupa Goswami went to the spiritual world in 1564 at the age of 71. Now let us all sing a kirtan to honor the 6 Goswamis, including Rupa Goswami. Hariharaya Nama Krishna Yadavaya Namaha Yadavaya Madhavaya Keshavaya Namaha Gopal Govindaram Shri Madhusudana Giridhari Gopinata Madana Mohana Shri Chaitanya Nityananda Shri Advaita Sita Hari Guru Vaishnava Bhagavata Gita Hariharaya Nama Krishna Yadavaya Namaha Yadavaya Madhavaya Keshavaya Namaha Shri Rupa Sanatana Bhatta Raghunatha Shri Jiva Gopala Bhatta Dasa Raghunatha E chai go se kore charana vandan jaha hote bigna abhishta puran Hari Haraya Nama Krishna Yadavaya Namaha Yadavaya Madhavaya Keshavaya Namaha E chai go se char muitar das Tasa Parapadare Numoro Panchagras Tadera Charana Se Bhakta Sane Bas Janame Hoy E Abhilas Hari Haraya Nama Krishna Yadavaya Namaha Yadavaya Madhavaya Keshavaya Namaha E chai go se jabe braje koil bas Radha Krishna Nitya Leela Korila Prakash Anande Bolo Hari Baja Brindaban Shri Guru Vaishnava Pade Majaya Maman Shri Guru Vaishnava Pada Padma Kori As Nama Sankirtana Kohe Narottama Das Hariharaya Nama Krishna Yadavaya Namaha Yadavaya Madhavaya Keshavaya Namaha. This song is written by Narottam Das Thakur describing the glories of the 6 Goswamis.
Hari Bol, very beautifully sung, Shreyas. Thank you so much.
Mataji. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you for the very nice presentation of Srila Rupa Goswami. Yes, it was very sad to hear about the temple, definitely. And of course, it was wonderful to hear about the glories of Srila Rupa Goswami. Thank you so much for a very beautiful presentation and coming on the call. And anyone has any questions or comments for Shreyas, please go ahead.
Hare Krishna says it's a beautiful presentation. So much of information about Srila Rupa Goswami, and I like the song. This version is my best version. Thank you for singing also.
Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you.
Hare Krishna, Shyam, wonderful presentation.
Thank you.
Hare Krishna, Shreyas, nice presentation.
Hare Krishna, Shyama,
It was a very nice presentation. Thank you for sharing this very beautiful presentation about Rupa Goswami.
Thank you, everyone.
Hare Krishna, that was a nice presentation.
Thank you.
Hare Krishna Shreyas, very nice presentation, and I like the slides, and I like the stories that you told relating to your topic.
Thank you.
Amazing performance.
Thank you.
Where did the Govinda DT go again?
The Radha Govinda DT actually went to Karauli, Rajasthan. It's a place like Maharaja Jai Singh took those DTs.
Hare Krishna, I think it is in Jaipur. Karoli is Madan Mohanji. So little, yeah. Govindaji and Gopinathji, it is in the Jaipur, and Karoli in the Madan Mohanji in there.
Okay, thank you for letting me
Yeah,
know.
Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Shreyas. Dandavat pranam to your sincere seva. Srila Prabhupada, Srila Gurudev ki jai, taking us Shridham Vrindavan Dham, Shri Radha Govind Dev, and Rupa Goswamis. Thank you, beta. Hare Krishna. Very blessed child.
Thank you, Mataji.
Yeah, you did a very good presentation, very nice. And you sang the very nice for the Narottam Das Thakur song. Wonderful. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Mataji.
Hare Krishna Shreyas, very nice, beautiful presentation. Actually, I joined a little late, but when I joined, I was hearing you and I thought some grown-up is speaking because the way you read and speak is so nice. Thank you. And it's beautiful to hear about Rupa Goswami on the appearance day of Radha Kund because he glorified Radha Kund in his books also. Thank you so much. Very nice and beautiful song.
Thank you, Mataji. Thank you everyone for blessing me. I wish to make these slides a bit better, but I do have some work to do. But definitely, Rupa Goswami is one of my favorite devotees of Lord Krishna.
How old are you, Shreyas?
I'm 12 years old. Thank you, Mataji.
Very nice. Thank you. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Shreyas, very nice presentation. Very nice, all the information and all the pastimes that you said, very good. And I really like the way you sang Hari Hara Nama, very nice. Thank you.
Thank you, Mataji.
Hare Krishna Shreyas, that was a nice presentation.
Thank you, Subhadra.
Hi Krishna Shreyas, very nice presentation and it was so nice to see you, and your singing as usual always is very nice, and it was so nice to hear from you.
Thank you, Mataji. Thank you, Sita Prati Mataji.
Hi Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, I like the song.
Thank you, Manmai Krishna. Such a sweet appreciation. Thank you all so much. Anyone else has anything to tell Shreyas? Okay. So we have Anjana Gopika Mataji. Do you think any other child has missed out on the presentation? I mean,
Next presentation. I don't know, Mataji. Anybody want to say anything about your class, last week class? And then it was so nice. We already did all the presentation before because yours was little late. Anybody missing? Anybody is missing to share your sloka or rhymes from Govinda, Madhava or Damodar class? I think we covered everyone, Mataji.
Okay. Thank you so much, Shreyas, again. It was a nice presentation. And thanks to all the kids for sharing so beautifully.
Thank you, Mataji. Mataji, this is Vilasini Gopi, Shreyas' mom, and I request everybody to correct him if he's doing some mistakes, and please, he's totally in the shelter of devotees, so please make him also understand what he's missing. I'll be very thankful.
It was very nice, Shreyas. Your presentation was wonderful.
Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you so much, Mataji, for also pitching in. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mataji. Thank you. It's all your, efforts are so big and so massive every day, non-stop, and it is so inspiring for us.
Thanks to all the devotees, Mataji, all the wonderful volunteers who work non-stop. Thank you, Shreyas. Okay, so we can then end the call if everyone is okay. Anjana Gopika Mataji, should we end the call? Yeah? Okay. Vancha kalpataru
Pataribhyasya kripasindhubhya patitanam dhammam payavnebhyo
Vaishnavebhyo
vaishnavebhyo
namo
namo
namaha.
namaha.
Jai. Ki Jai.
Jai.
All glory to the assembled devotees. Shreyas ki Jai, and all the Damodar Gopika Madhava kids, teachers, and parents ki Jai.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Malik ki Jai.
Don't